My name is Erdi. I'm from Austria. I'm 21 years old.
I'm originally from India. Came here to the UK in 2004.
I came all the way here before thinking about it. Just bought a ticket within one day. I came here and it's really astonishing how outgoing the people are.
Unfortunately, my parents inherited some debt, about almost £100,000 in debts, and ever since I joined full-time work in 2011, I've slowly been trying to pay this off, but it's been a tough journey. I also got married recently, so I'm trying to support two families as well as pay off the debt, and that's my goal.
You know, the thing is, I haven't told my mom yet. I just told her I'm gonna go to an English course, and you know, there is not such thing about like learning English in 2 days, but I'm gonna tell her afterwards when I go back, and hopefully I'm gonna bring them here and we're gonna attend this crash course together.
All I thought was, you buy a house, refurb, and sell it. That was my strategy before learning about this course. But now that I'm on here, that's not the only strategy. There are plenty of others.
I'm hoping to get a lot of information as I can.
I don't want to put all my eggs in one basket, and I want to learn these strategies.
As soon as I watched all the videos about Samuel Leeds and how he changed all the lives, and I was really amazed about how he did it, and I just wanted to experience it live.
Just finished the property investors crash course with Samuel Leeds. Done 2 days and absolutely loved it.
Yesterday I had a few doubts that I could implement a few things in Austria, but after this day I'm sure that you can do it everywhere.
Learned a lot in terms of strategies. I came in with just one strategy of rent to rent. Didn't realize there were 5 in total that were introduced at the crash course. Rent to rent is not the be all and end all. We'll be doing deal sourcing, lease on the options, trying to build a service apartment as well into my portfolio.
My next step would be to educate myself, to train myself a little bit more.
My affirmation, which I declared in front of everyone today, was to be financially free by the age of 30, securing and buying properties 2 every quarter in 2020, and I will be a successful property investor.
But those 2 days, I recommend it highly to attend this program because it's just life-changing.
I can't wait to work with Samuel Leeds and the team.
And next time, I think I'm going to bring my brother or a few friends, and I'm sure they're going to benefit from that.
You guys seem absolutely amazing, full of energy, really inspirational, and love each and every one of your stories as well.
Thank you for all the information. It's just invaluable, and I will come back. I'll be back.